Did you know that ancient Mayans believed the moon goddess controlled which plants could heal you? I'm Henry, and today I'm taking you deep into Mayan mythology to meet Ixchel. Picture this. High above Earth, Ixchel sits at her cosmic loom. She's not weaving ordinary cloth. She's creating magical healing patterns with threads of starlight and moonbeams. Each pattern she weaves becomes a different herbal remedy down on Earth. When Ixchel finishes a healing pattern, she releases it from her loom. The pattern floats down like silver dust, landing on specific plants and giving them their healing powers. But here's the amazing part. Ixchel's work follows her monthly phases. During the new moon, she weaves patterns for plants that heal the mind. As the moon grows, she creates remedies for the body. At full moon, her most powerful healing patterns emerge. The ancient Mayans used this knowledge to time their medicine gathering. They knew exactly when each plant would be at its strongest healing power, all thanks to Ixchel's cosmic weaving schedule.